What are you doing?
Nothing. Me? Just hanging around.
So I haven't uploaded a video for like 8 days. I don't even know when I'm gonna upload this one. I'm so sorry. You know, like exams are coming up and stuff, you know.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't care.
So today we're gonna create a pickup system so we can actually regenerate our health, and we will display our health on the screen.
Wow.
You can do it at home, you can do it on the couch, you can do it in the shower if you're that weird and stuff. You can do it while taking a shit. Let's go to third person, go to blueprints, and let's create a folder widget. I already have it, so just create a folder. In the widget, we're gonna right click, we're gonna go to user interface, click on the widget blueprint, and click on the user widget. And this will be main widget BP. So right here, you will see it's kind of blank and stuff, everything empty. So we're gonna search for canvas panel, drag that in, and then we're gonna search for progress bar. So progress bar is basically what it says, it's a progress bar. By the way, it has a variable, it's a float, and you can customize it, by the way. Going to, if you click on it, there should be style, and you can customize it with like your own images, like background image, field image, and whatever that is. For today, I'm not gonna customize it. But you can do it, it's free, okay? You will see appearance, so this is the color that is gonna fill. For us, it's gonna be like darkish red, I guess. And there should be percent right here, width of progress. And if you make it like, for example, 0.5, you can see it's the half, so it fills half. So let's leave it 0.5. And that's basically it, except we have to anchor it. So there should be anchor on the top, and just choose this one right here on the bottom left. That's basically it. You can actually close that up. We're not going to touch it ever again. Now we have to go to our third person. Bro, are you fucking kidding me, man? Son of a bitch! In the third person blueprint, we are going to find event tick. If you do not have it, you can just search for event tick and it should pop up. From here, we are going to create a variable, some variables. As health, you can actually call it current health or whatever. I'm gonna call it health. It's going to be a float, so we don't have a problem with that. And another one called max health. We don't really need it, but I'm going to. So set the health as default 100 or 200, whatever. Max health is the max of your health. I think that makes sense. So actually, before even tick, we have to go to begin play, and you should create a sequence. I just deleted it, I know. And the first one should go here, and from the second pin we are going to create a widget. And this widget is the main UI that we created, because we have to actually like show the widget, you know, and all that kind of stuff. From the return value, we're gonna promote that into a variable. Let's call it main UI widget blueprint ref, something like that. And from the pin, we're gonna add to viewport, so that means we can actually see it, see the widget. So if you actually press play, I see my ass, you can see the widget blueprint actually pops up. So now we can go back to event tick, get the main menu reference, get progress bar, set percent, I don't know. So we're setting the percentage of the bar, and by default you would probably just drag in the health, right? But our health is 100, so we have to actually divide it. So the first pin is health and the second pin is max health. So we're just dividing max health by health. So 100 divided by 100, and that's basically it. So compile and save that, and if we play, you will be able to see that our health bar does not work. And you may ask, why is that? I have deleted some stuff on the point damage, so we have to actually plug that back. So whenever we take damage, taking damage from enemy, we're gonna set the health and we're gonna minus from health. So health minus damage, I guess. Plug the condition, less than, and plug that. So no, we don't actually need. By the way, the dev screen and all this this will be in another video that will explain how I did it. Now if we play, you'll be able to see when they take damage, when they hit me, I'll take damage and eventually die. So now we're gonna create a health box so we can actually heal ourselves. To create the MedKit, you know, we are going to create a new folder. So create a new folder. This will be PickUp. This will be PickUp system, and we are going to go to blueprint class and find actor component. Let's call it AC PickUp. If you remember from good old days when I created the inventory system and didn't finish because I was too lazy, well, we are using the same concept basically for the pickup system, and another blueprint class of actor. This will be BP item master. Right click on the item master and there should be create child, and this will be BP medkit. So now in the item master, just open that up. We're gonna add some components as a sphere collision and static mesh. Now open up the AC pickup system, delete everything that's inside. I'm gonna create a function called fPickup, and we're gonna create a variable called item master, and as you can guess, it's the item master. And we're gonna get that, we're gonna is valid question mark. Well, no, so is valid this big question mark, and we are going to go to event graph, get begin play. So begin play, cast suit third person. I know casting is no good and stuff, you know, but I mean, get owning pawn or get owner technically. Compile save that, and promote as BP third person character. Promote that into variable and call it player BP ref, and that's basically it. Now back into the function, we're gonna get the player, get health, and we're just gonna plus. We're gonna plus. Fucking Christ. I'm laughing because this is just so stupid. This code, this code is stupid, man. It's so like ridiculous. So back into item master, we're gonna create a variable called. We could actually do health. Add it as a float. And by the way, don't set the values, do not do anything here because it's the item master. If you want to set the values, go to medkit, open the medkit up and go to self right here, and there should be a health right here, and you can set it to like 50 for example. Compile and save that. So back in the AC pickup system, now from the item master, so get item master, get health, and just plug that in. So we're just adding the health basically. This is not great. This code is so bad actually, but hopefully it's going to work. If you have any problem, just write it. I will try my best to actually like to help you and stuff. Before we setting the health, we're gonna get the player, we're gonna get health. If it's greater than or equal to, get max health. So it's if it's greater than or equal to our max health, then it's not going to do shit. Now in the item master, we can actually start coding. So right click on the sphere right here, and just right click it. There should be add event. There should be on component begin overlap. Right click event and end overlap. So we need these two. So for the begin overlap, we are going to, from the other actors, get component by class and get the AC pickup system. From the return, does implement an interface, and as you can see, it's a boolean, so it's a branch. And from the true, we are going to, from the return value AC pickup system, we're gonna get item master. No, I'm gonna set item master and plug that into true, and we are going to set it to self. So what we're doing basically, you know, for the 5-year-olds here, so basically what we're doing is whenever it overlaps this circle-y thing, right, this weird ass scary thing, it's going to check if this component right here, this one does have an interface. By the way, it doesn't, but just if it has, if it's true, we're gonna set it to self, so the item is self, you know, so it works and stuff. This is really important, okay? And about the interface, we're gonna actually create it. So right click, go to blueprints, there should be blueprint interface, call it BPI pickup, so BPI pickup. Now go to AC pickup system, go to class defaults, no, class settings, sorry, and there should be add interface and BPI pickup. Now back into item master, add the interface, BPI, boom, now it's true. Now we can actually copy it and paste it to the second one, the end overlap. It's basically the same concept except about this one right here, where we are setting it. We're gonna get item master, we're gonna check does it equal to self, and it's a branch, so let's check, and if it does, set item master to none. So we're just checking if it equals to self, and you can see it does, and we're just gonna insert it, so we can, so whenever we leave the zone we cannot pick up, so there's no bugs and stuff. So that's basically it. You can just compile and save it. Now to actually put everything together, we actually have to do one more thing in the AC pickup system. Get the item master and destroy actor, and you are officially done. Now you can go to third person character, right click, get F key or some sort, you know, what are you gonna pick up and stuff, add component, AC pickup system, drag it out, F pickup, that's the function that we created. When you press it, it's going to do something. And now the beautiful side. Go to MedKit, open static mesh, add a static mesh, for example, like let's have this one. Oh holy shit, it's a bean. Let's make the sphere a little bigger, like 120. It should be bigger than the item, by the way, so keep that in mind. So now if we play and if I get attacked, I can just boink and I have max off, and they attack me again, and you can see. So there should be no bugs, hopefully. Yo, you know, these are my friends, these are my fellows, so if you like this video, oh gosh, dang it,